Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be describe about a motherboards. How does motherboard works and what is the function of motherboards? There are various functions performs from a motherboards that is connected on a 3D printers. Basically to categorize or a more than categories of motherboards are available, and one motherboard is manufactured only for a 3D printers, but other motherboards likes Arduino and Raspi are used for 3D printer. This is not best, but these two Arduino and Raspi can be used for a 3D printings, and we can learning more from to these two boards, and on which Raspberry Pi or a CNC sheets are connected on a top side and a driver are connected. Their function is not better, but that is acceptable. If we are seeing those motherboards that are manufactured only for a 3D printers, on which four or five motors can be connected, and these motor are connected with a individual drivers of a motor. But after that, if we see the other pins, and they have a options of a thermistor, temperature control, fans, motors, and some motherboards have options of lights. All functions are performed, and all decisions are made on a on a motherboard. The motherboard's function looks like say and perform a functions like say brains, and we can changings and can take a word with the helps of codings. We can control these boards with a computer using cables, and after that a LCD are attached with the computer, and on which LCDs has many options. Many options shows like say printing options, temperature options, speed options, and leveling options, motor bed temperature options. All function are shows on a motherboard. We cannot ignore the importance of a motherboard. Without of a motherboard, we cannot imagine the working of a 3D printer or any machines. Uh, Motherboards are a well developed, and that is a very sensitive elements that can be sensed and informed to computers and informed to a humans about a functions and their speed and their functions. Thank you. I think so you are lots of learning at this tutorial. Thank you.